it is one of the newest graphic designing programs that is easy to use and mobile friendly. These graphics come out really nice. I think it came out great. It looks good. What's up, superstars? On today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of Kittl and showing you guys how easy it is to create DTF hat design using one of their easy to use templates. If you're not familiar with Kittl, it is one of the newest graphic designing programs that is easy to use and mobile friendly. But one thing to keep in mind is that sometimes the artwork is not 100% ready for DTF. So in this tutorial, we'll be showing you guys how to properly export the artwork so you guys don't waste your money making a bunch of unusable DTF prints. First things first, let's head over to Kittl. We'll have a link down below so you guys can sign up easily. We are using the paid version, so make sure you have that so you can download the artwork with transparent backgrounds. All right, on Kittl. First things noticing is that it's really a similar format as Canva, which it gives you a more of a familiar feel when you step into it. On top of it, already getting greeted by a lot of these templates, a lot of these graphics, and a lot of these designs. We already have a graphic that we already preset, picked out, and we're just gonna be editing it from there. So the first thing we're gonna edit from this template is the words "come party," and we're gonna put it to "get money." And a good thing about this too as well with these programs that you could change the format of the lettering with any kind of customization you like. You could change it however you would want. With this one, we're just gonna keep it the same as as the same format, just a kind of circle format. And we are going to take away "we enjoyed it today." So regularly you would just basically download this on inches. We're gonna do this 12 inches. The reason why so big is because we wanna make sure it's really big print, because we could always make it smaller when we put it into the Gangsheet Builder. We're also gonna download this on a file type of PNG, and the DPI is gonna be 300. So again, regularly you would just put remove background, but for the reason of this kind of a gradient smudge effect, it's not gonna come out exactly how it's supposed to come out. But what we are gonna do is, just so we could showcase this a little bit better, we are gonna download this file to just showcase what it would happen just removing the background, and then what you need to do in order to get this completely fully done. So with not just removing the background, but removing this smudge area, we're gonna go into layers. It's gonna be located onto the bottom right corner. After that, going to the section "come party," and then you're gonna go all the way to background. So when you do remove the background, this is what you're gonna see, but you see this little smudge area. This is what you're also going to see. Again, it will be printed out, but getting pressed onto the shirt, sometimes the glue doesn't really stick onto a lot of these gradients. But to not even chance it, this is a good way to take it off. You're gonna click onto the background, go towards the opacity, and drop it down to 0. So as you can see onto the screen, you don't see any smudge whatsoever. After that, it is a-okay to download. Make sure this is at 12 inches on the width. Again, PNG file, 300 DPI. The unit's gonna be inches, and remove background as well. We're gonna download this set. After we download this, we are gonna go over towards our website, towards transfersuperstar.com. After that, we're gonna go to the online Gangsheet Builder, and it's gonna be a regular 22 by 12 inch Gangsheet. Go to build your DTF Gangsheet. We're gonna start a whole new one, and then we're gonna upload the images that we just got. We have this one. This is gonna be the complete transparent background, everything that we did right for this one. We are going to drop this in size at 2.25. And then we are going to adjust it a little bit too as well. And duplicate it. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do one more. Okay, and then I'm gonna scan this. And then take this one out. And I don't know if you could tell because of the stuff in the back, but the background is definitely very hazy. So I think this would definitely be pressed on the shirt. There's some glue that definitely would attach to that. So if you're doing a black shirt, I don't know how cool it would look, but definitely would look different. So let's set this up. We're just gonna do one just so you guys can see how it turns out. And basically we save and we get it printed out. All right, let's get it printed. There you guys have it. Here's our 22 by 12 gang sheet. We were able to fit 32 graphics on our $10 gang sheet. It comes out to only 31 cents per piece. Super profitable to flip hats. For this project, we were gonna use a Hotronics hat press, but we just thought to keep it simple, we're gonna use a Vevor hat press. We actually did a recent unboxing video for this, so go check that link out in the description. For the hats, we're gonna be using the Flex Fit 5511 UP. It's a uni panel trucker hat. I really like this for DTF because of the solid uni panel up front. We don't have to mess with any of the seams. With this design, we would normally resize the artwork, but based on this design, we had to change the height to 2.25 just so we could avoid the curved top. But on that, we're gonna be checking more on towards these transfers. Let's take a closer look. Do a quick measuring. I just want to get a good close-up on these graphics. So it came out really good. That came out really nice. And the one that we said that was only going to take out that transparency, like you could already tell out of the bunch which one it was. It's crazy because it didn't look like that even on the gang sheet. But hey, all right, let's measure these guys. Also wanted to kind of just showcase the back. It actually did really well on capturing everything. And then you can see how in this, it did capture a lot of it. So the whole square would be there if it was pressed. But let's real quick, give it a quick measurement. So kind of basically exactly at the 2 and the 2. All right, cool. Let's go on with press. With our hat press, we're gonna set it to 300 degrees and it's gonna be a 7-second press. For the second press, we are going to use this textured silicone cover sheet. This is going to give it its screen printed look and feel. I think it came out great. It looks good. You could see everything on there, that textured pattern. And nothing's coming off. It's very hot though. So just being real with you guys, I could have aligned this a little bit better. On this curved top, I see that it had more space. I could have aligned it a little bit more towards the middle. I kind of went really down. But even on that end too as well, I could have even went with maybe bigger on the graphic too. But hey, it still looks good. And it came out well. It came out nice. We appreciate you guys tuning in. We want to thank Flex Hat for the hats so we could achieve this demonstration. If you guys need any hats, especially uni-panel hats, there are so many varieties that they carry, so make sure you guys check them out. We'll put a link in the description below. If you guys are searching for a new DTF supplier, or if your current one isn't meeting your expectations, click the link in the description below as well. We specialize in producing custom DTF transfers for apparel and UV stickers for different surfaces. Our strengths lie in our providing reliable service, high quality products, quick delivery, and an extensive selection of vibrant colors. Today we showed you guys how to optimize any Kittl graphic template for DTF, and we put it on a hat. I hope you guys found this guide useful. Make sure to bookmark it for easy access later as we continue to enhance your DTF experience. That's a wrap for now. We truly appreciate your support, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. See you guys next time.